Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about if actually having a high Facebook ad frequency is a big problem and if it actually kills your results, right? Or is it just something that, well, other people made up? But first, if you still didn't download my new ebook, which is completely free, Facebook Ad Launch Guide for E-commerce, definitely download it because I literally wrote it for e-commerce owners who either want to launch their own Facebook ads, without really like losing money on those ads, and also for e-commerce owners who already work with, for example, agency and run their own ads, right? So you better understand what's going on, and it kind of like helps you to understand if people are doing like a great job, right? Or also it will help you, to better understand how to actually never lose money. There are also a lot of advanced stuff like how I spent and how we manage $50,000 per day in ad spend and all that. So definitely download it till it's still free. Okay, what actually Facebook ad frequency means for you? Basically, it means that let's say you have ad set, right? And that ad set is basically constantly promoting to one specific audience. And basically, let's say you check lifetime of that ad set and you see that frequency is like 3 or 4. That basically means that every person in that audience already seen your ad 3 times, 4 times. And a lot of people are actually constantly asking like, is this actually a problem, if somebody's seen your ad, 3 times or 4 times? Well, and I think that most people think it's an issue because they are trying to compare it to something like email marketing, right? Or spamming, in Messenger or whatever. Because usually when, you're sending too many emails, people are angry, maybe they don't like it. And then I think you can actually, make some people mad, by just emailing them too much. Or for example, when you are messaging people, right? You don't have any connection with them, you're constantly hitting them. Well, everybody who is a marketer will know it very well, right? I have like hundreds of new, messages every day in my, inbox. And that's again, right? You can actually make people angry there. But when it comes to Facebook, right? Typical Facebook user that basically is like scrolling through newsfeed every day, well, they see like thousands of ads every week, and they don't even realize, right? It's like completely passive. So if they see, every week your ad 2 or 3 times, well, it doesn't really matter because they just see like a huge ocean full of ads, and they just completely ignore them. So they don't even know that you actually show them ad as well, probably, right? Because let's say that you are constantly scrolling through newsfeed, right? And what do you actually see there, right? It's like constantly one post, after each other, and some of them are ads, some of them are your friends' posts, Instagram little posts or whatever. And well, in this kind of like a complete blizzard of like a weird posts, well, there is like very likely that they will not even understand that they just see your post 2 times, 3 times. Sometimes you need to show them your post actually multiple times to at least get their attention, to check that ad. And I will actually show you now a difference on my computer. This is basically a screenshot from one of my ad accounts, right? And you can actually see here, for example, one of my retargeting campaigns where we are retargeting views, right? So basically we are running a video for a product, right, with one of my stores. And basically now we are retargeting people that see 95% of that video ad, right? And basically you can see here one thing. First, we already spent on that one ad set almost $30,000. It already made almost like 58 probably, because Harris always like missed something. So let's say it was like a 2 ROAS, right? This product actually itself is like a break even at 1.4 ROAS. So 2 ROAS or even like 1.9 is still fine. Basically, it generated almost like a 1,200 and something sales. And what you can see here is that it has frequency 5.26, right? So in a lot of cases, like most marketers would say like, oh wow, 5.26, like that's like horrible, And to be honest, not just marketers, also like every single Facebook representative in the world, right? All these like meta marketing pros, right? Let's say all of them are constantly telling me that I have like a huge frequency, right? And I always ask them like, okay, cool, but does it mean it's like not working, Is it like not generating a real money, because this thing has like 5.26 and it generated like almost like $60,000, right? With like a great ROAS. It's like complete profit. Like I'm just basically printing cash. Should I really stop it, you know, because some number 5.26 is there, right? But it has nothing to do with your results, right? So first thing that actually you need to do is to ask yourself, is it making money or not, right? And if it's making money, then nothing else is important, right? Whatever people say, whatever, you know, like cool advices they have, only question here is it making money or not? So it doesn't matter if you have like a frequency of 20, who cares if it's like 3 ROAS, right? I mean, if you have frequency 50 and yeah, you are like 1 ROAS, like yeah, you should stop it, but not because you have frequency 50, but because it's in loss, right? So only thing that you need to focus on is it making money or not? If it's not making money, kill it. I don't actually have even frequency here, you know, normally in my like that attribution bar, right? Because I don't really look at it. I think it's like a absolutely unimportant, you know, metric, because only thing that matters is that how much money I spent, how much profit I actually generated from that specific asset. And yeah, so really it doesn't matter what kind of frequency you have, because if it's profitable, then like spend more money on it. Just spend more money on it, you know, till it's not working anymore, you know, and then you can switch it off. And it doesn't matter if you have like frequency 6, 2, 7, you know, 0, whatever. Only thing that matters is money. So I hope this video helped, right? And actually, you know, better explained, you know, that frequency is actually bullshit and you should definitely not even like think about it, read it or whatever, you know, do about it. And yeah, so if you like this video, definitely, you know, like it, you know, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also don't forget to download my free ebook till it's still free. So thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.